Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with safety and support. Park level, set the brake, and chalk wheels. This prevents roll. Use a floor jack and 2 X-blocks under the hitch to take load off the bolts, so you can work snugly. Next, disconnect the trailer wiring harness and safety chains. Tuck connectors out of the way. Once done, spray penetrating oil on mounting bolts and let it soak for 5–10 minutes so loosening is easier when you start turning the fasteners. You now attack the bolts. Start with a socket or impact gun to break each nut free. If bolts resist, switch to a breaker bar and apply steady force rather than sudden jerks. Make sure the jack holds the hitch as you remove the last fasteners so it doesn't fall. As each bolt comes out, set hardware in order and check mounting plates and surrounding frame for rust or cracked welds. This informs whether you need replacement parts or further frame repair before finish. You complete removal by lowering the hitch carefully. Guide it clear of the bumper and wiring so nothing snags. Once free, clean the truck receiver area with wire brush and degreaser, then treat bare metal with rust converter and touch-up paint to protect it. Finally, stow hardware or replace as needed and test tail wiring function. If the hitch is stuck, heat the surrounding metal, reapply penetrating oil, and tap progressively around the mount. This releases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.